Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error when you try to connect to Wi-Fi and you enter the correct password but system says that password is incorrect. So how you can fix it? First thing you need to try is to just swipe up and just turn on airplane mode and turn off airplane mode. So you can also check, wait some seconds, about 5 seconds, until you will turn off airplane mode. So if it doesn't help you, you can try to go to the settings, just open the settings. In the settings you need to find here privacy, so just open the privacy, and in the privacy you will see here location services, so just open location services, and here you need to find system services and just find here networking and wireless, so just turn off here, turn off and restore your phone. So after you restore your phone, so just turn on here again and just try. So if it doesn't help you too, you can also go back to the settings and just find here mobile data, so just find mobile data, and here you need to scroll down until you will see here Wi-Fi assist, so just turn off here, turn off Wi-Fi assist and try to connect to Wi-Fi again. So, and the latest method you can also try is to go to the general, and in the general you need to find reset here and just try to reset network settings and just click here and submit resetting network settings. So I hope that one of these methods will help you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.